Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pizza Hut pizza at home. First, combine warm water, yeast, and a pinch of sugar, letting it bloom for 5 minutes. Then, mix in bread flour, salt, and a little olive oil until a shaggy dough forms. Knead for about 8 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place it in an oiled bowl cover and let it rise for 1 hour. Next, let's tackle the sauce. A simple, robust tomato sauce is essential for that classic Pizza Hut taste. Combine crushed tomatoes, a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Simmer for 15 minutes to let the flavors meld. While it simmers, prepare your toppings. Slice pepperoni, chop vegetables, and grate your favorite mozzarella cheese. Now for assembly. Gently press your risen dough into a well-oiled 10-inch pizza pan, pushing it up the sides slightly for that signature crust. Spread your delicious sauce evenly, leaving about a half-inch border. Generously sprinkle with mozzarella cheese, then add your chosen toppings. Bake in a preheated oven at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Once out of the oven, for that authentic Pizza Hut experience, brush the crust with a little melted butter. This adds a wonderful richness and shine. Let your pizza rest for 5 minutes before slicing into 8 delicious pieces. This helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.